Hello, 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 beautiful soul. I am Kiana, the Cosmic Priestess. So happy to be here with you today. Today is day 4 of the Sacred Sound Share. Granted, we're a bit of a day behind, but that is because I had to take some time for myself, and we all get to that space, right, where we have to be in a space of receiving, of stillness. And so today is day 4. Trust and know that whenever you find this, it is in divine alignment. Okay, so today the focus is going to be on releasing, letting go of, easing, bringing calm to anxiety. At the time I'm recording this, it is holiday season. So sometimes energies can be a little high and elevated during this time. So really feeling called into channeling a sacred sound to help you to ease your anxiety, to help you come to a place of groundedness and calm. Do know that all you have to do is receive. There's nothing else that you have to do. Focus on the breath, come into the body, deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. And so just be open, receive. This is all about frequency. Light language, sacred sounds, toning. It's all about frequency. And so the frequency I'm going to be sharing with you today is one that is going to help bring you to a state of balance, to help relieve some of those feelings of anxiousness. Raciness is also what's coming to mind here as well. So if you could benefit from that at this time, I invite you to this space. I invite you to this place. Come into the body. Come to the body. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. And just be with yourself in this moment. Give yourself this space and just receive this sacred sound. Be in a space of non-judgment. Allow what needs to flow through. As we come to a space of peace and oneness within ourselves. Otositria shahatria shini rosotositria namae. Etrositria shatraishoto sotositria shakaetro pokondositria nam. Deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Beautiful. Peace be with you. Peace find it in all of the ways that you most need it today. Know that you can come back to this video at any time, save it, be with this sound. You may not understand how it works, but it's not about how it works. It is about being in a space of allowing and receiving of divine light, source love. Do remember that the year's end special is still going on. So if you would love to work with me one-on-one, whether it is for a reading, past life work, light language activation, that offering is still going on. 50% off, y'all, now through the end of the year, and booking out into January as well. I am sending you love overflowing. For more information, you can go to cosmicpriestess.com. That is cosmic with a K, priestess.com. And until next time, dear ones,